Good morning. My name is Tom Jackson, and I'm a partner at the law firm of Jackson Bergman here in Binghamton. I am joined today by numerous experienced Broome County attorneys who are partners at large firms, who are partners at small firms, who are associates, and who are solo practitioners. It must be emphasized that we are a bipartisan group of attorneys. Some of us are registered Republicans, and some of us are registered Democrats. The purpose of our gathering is to address the current race for Broome County District Attorney. And we address these issues not based on political affiliation, but on the merits. It's necessary for us to make a statement concerning this race inasmuch as it reflects upon the legal profession. At the outset, we express this unanimous bipartisan message. We endorse Gerald Mollen for Broome County District Attorney. D.A. Mollen has the utmost integrity, he operates at the highest ethical level, and his prosecutorial experience is unmatched. Over the course of the past couple months, we have seen and learned things about D.A. Mollen's opponent, Steve Cornwell, that are troublesome to us, especially because Mr. Cornwell is an attorney that practices law in this community. We are here to correct the record on certain matters, provide full disclosure to the general public as to certain topics, and to provide other relevant information. Financial responsibility is the first thing I'd like to talk about. The Office of the Broome County District Attorney works on a multi-million-dollar budget every year. Needless to say, D.A. Mollen has been responsible for effectively managing that budget for over 2 decades. Fiscal responsibility is an important part of being DA. There's one specific matter that gives us pause as to Mr. Cornwell's ability to handle this massive budget. It's come to our attention that Mr. Cornwell, or businesses he has operated, has a history of not paying taxes on time. That resulted in tax liens or tax warrants being filed against him or his businesses. Most, but not all, have been satisfied. A review of the website from the Broome County Clerk's Office also reveals that he had monetary judgments lodged against him. D.A. Mollen's campaign committee has informed us that Mr. Cornwell currently has 2 unsatisfied tax liens. Mr. Cornwell's personal financial history makes us question his ability to manage a multi-million-dollar budget, and we feel the District Attorney of Broome County should not have unsatisfied tax liens pending, especially when that person's salary is paid by taxpayer dollars. The next thing I'd like to talk about is full disclosure and a recent commercial that was put out by Mr. Cornwell. It's our opinion that Mr. Cornwell is providing the citizens of our county and our community incomplete information. He is currently running a television ad where he claims D.A. Mollen failed 2 alleged crime victims. As to one of those cases, evidence was presented to a grand jury, a Broome County grand jury, members of our community, and those citizens decided there was not enough evidence to file criminal charges. Mr. Cornwell failed to disclose that information in his ad, and that's crucial information we feel the citizens of our county and our community should be made aware of. The second case in his commercial, D.A. Mollen has advised of the following. In 2013, the New York State Police referred a complaint to the District Attorney's Office concerning a person by the name of Tracy Ayers, a former trooper. The complaint concerned Ms. Ayers allegedly using a badge during an interaction with another citizen to suggest that Ms. Ayers was a current police officer. Investigators conducted an interview of Ms. Ayers on February 27th of 2013 concerning that complaint. During the interview, which was audio recorded, Ms. Ayers alleged that the reason the state police referred the case to the District Attorney's Office was that in 1997, approximately 16 years earlier, she had made a complaint that a fellow trooper had attempted to sexually assault her. Ms. Ayers said that she reported this incident to her supervisors, expressed a preference to have the complaint investigated as an internal administrative matter, and never requested that a criminal investigation be conducted. At no time before, during, or after the 2013 interview did Ms. Ayers ever request the District Attorney's Office to investigate and prosecute the 1997 incident. As members of the legal community, based upon the information provided by DA Mollen, it's our opinion that it was unfair to the citizens of our county and our community to run this ad, where Ms. Ayers claimed that DA Mollen failed to prosecute her case when she never requested a criminal investigation. And it was only presented to DA Mollen's office approximately 16 years later when Ms. Ayers was being investigated. The next topic I'd like to talk about is criminal statistics. Mr. Cornwell also has recently been publicizing certain prosecution statistics. We believe that the statistics Mr. Cornwell has provided the general public does not provide a fair and full overview of the efficiency of the District Attorney's Office. Full disclosure of the statistics we deem relevant and important for the citizens of our county to know are as follows. Per the New York State Division of Criminal Justice Services 2014 Felony Case Processing Report, DA Mollen's office had an overall felony conviction rate of 84%. That's higher than the state average. DA Mollen's office had an average felony drug conviction rate of 91%. That's higher than the state average. We place special emphasis on one of Mr. Cornwell's communications to the citizens of this county, whereby he stated the following. In felony trial cases, the drug dealers win more cases than prosecutors in Broome County. Unfortunately, Mr. Cornwell is lying to us and the members of the community. Between 2010 and 2015, the Broome County District Attorney's Office has had an 89% success rate at a trial on a drug felony case. As proud and as respected members of the legal profession, we urge Mr. Cornwell to correct the false information he has provided the community. Mr. Cornwell has worked as a private practitioner in our county. On his former firm's website, which was just recently been taken down, in relevant part, he represented to potential DWI clients or any other viewer the following. Unfortunately, in many cases, drivers are charged solely upon the police officer's suspicion that they are drunk. The breath test and the field sobriety test used roadside range from inherently unreliable to voodoo science. The import of Mr. Cornwell's personal beliefs concerning DWI investigations is this. If he truly believes that certain police investigative techniques used in DWI cases amounts to voodoo science, then how, in good conscience, can he effectively prosecute those sorts of cases in our community? When DA Mollen addressed the issue via a press release, Mr. Cornwell's response, or someone on his behalf, was to take down his firm's website. Jerry Mollen has been the district attorney for 28 years. He has prosecuted just about every sort of criminal case one can think of. He has been involved in major investigations, attended autopsies, taken to trial complex murder cases, and so on. Mr. Cornwell, during his brief tenure as an assistant district attorney, handled one felony trial case. Any political race should be about the candidate, not about the family, the friends, and supporters of the candidates. It has come to our attention during the DA's race that a person working on behalf of Mr. Cornwell submitted a FOIL request, or a Freedom of Information Law request, to obtain emails exchanged between a private attorney and that attorney's wife, who was employed at Mr. Mollen's office. Mr. Cornwell was looking for what he was looking for and what he intended to do with the information in those emails. We don't know. We only can surmise. But to take such an action as part of a political campaign is something we certainly would frown upon. In conclusion, the bipartisan group of attorneys that you see before you, they stand for you and they stand before you to fully support and endorse Jerry Mollen as Broome County's district attorney. We fully endorse and support his level of integrity, his honesty, his experience, and most of all, his proven dedication to this community. Thank you.